Dollywood's 2025 Spring Flower and Food Festival has officially opened, ushering in a season of vibrant blooms, delectable dishes, and captivating entertainment. Running from April 25th to June 8th, this year's festival is particularly special as it coincides with the theme park's 40th anniversary. The park has transformed into a floral paradise, featuring over 500,000 blooms and stunning topiary displays. Guests can stroll through pathways adorned with colorful flowers and intricate floral sculptures, creating a picturesque setting for visitors of all ages. Food enthusiasts will be delighted by the diverse culinary offerings available throughout the festival. From savory dishes to sweet treats, the festival showcases a variety of flavors that highlight the region's rich culinary heritage. One of the festival's highlights is the return of From the Heart, a Broadway-style show that debuted last year. This production, which celebrates Dolly Parton's life and music career, has been a fan favorite and is set to captivate audiences once again. In honor of Dollywood's milestone 40th season, the park is introducing several new attractions and events. A new opening ceremony will take place at the beginning of each operating day in 2025, setting the tone for a day filled with excitement. Additionally, a special 40th anniversary show, featuring highlights from guest favorite shows throughout the park's history, will debut Memorial Day weekend and run through the end of the summer. Whether you're a longtime fan or a first-time visitor, Dollywood's 2025 Spring Flower and Food Festival offers something for everyone. With its stunning floral displays, delectable cuisine, and engaging entertainment, it's the perfect way to celebrate the season and commemorate 4 decades of Dollywood magic. If you love exploring the latest in entertainment, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content.